स्टुडंट्स, तुम्ही लास्ट व्हिडिओ पळयलात आसतलो. तातूंत हांवें तुमकां डिफरंट फिचर्स ऑफ प्लाज्मिड सांगले किंवा डिफरंट फिचर्स ऑफ वॅक्टर सांगले. ओके, तातूंतलो हो एक पयलो आर्टिफिशियल क्लोनिंग वॅक्टर 2 सायंटिस्टांनी तयार केल्लो आनी ताजें नांव तांच्यांनी दवरलें PBR322. द मिनींग वॉट? हे PBR322 नांव ताका कित्याक दवरलें तांच्यांनी? ओके, सो हो पयलो जो P आसा न्ही, दॅट P स्टँड्स फॉर प्लाज्मिड. देन B, ओके, B हो जो अल्फाबेट आसा पळय, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द इनिशियल ऑफ वन सायंटिस्ट आनी ताजें नांव आशिल्लें बोलिवर. ओके, आनी हो जो R आसा तो दुसरो सायंटिस्ट, ताजें इनिशियल दुसऱ्या सायंटिस्टाचें नांव. ओके, आनी ताजें नांव रॉड्रिगीस. अशे हे 2 सायंटिस्ट, तांच्यांनी हो आर्टिफिशियल प्लाज्मिड तयार केलो. ओके, आनी ह्या आर्टिफिशियल प्लाज्मिड तांच्यांनी जो तयार केलो पळय, तांचो डिस्कवरी नंबर आशिल्लो 322. सो द नेम PBR322. ओके, आतां हांवें तुमकां लास्ट व्हिडिओन सांगलें प्लाज्मिडाक खंयचे खंयचे फिचर्स आसपाक जाय, देन ओन्ली इट वील बिकम अ वॅक्टर. एक तर ओरिजीन ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन, देन सिलेक्टेबल मार्कर्स, मागीर तातूंत क्लोनिंग सायट आसपाक जाय, तातूंत रेस्ट्रिक्शन एन्झायमाच्यो सायट आसपाक जाय, सो दॅट रेस्ट्रिक्शन एन्झायम येवन त्या प्लाज्मिडाक कट करपाक शकता आनी थंय मागीर आमी एलियन DNA घालपाक शकता. रायट, हे सगळे तुमकां फिचर्स हांवें सांगले. आतां तेच फिचर ह्या प्लाज्मिडान आसतले. ऑब्वियसली तांच्यांनी प्रिपेर केला म्हणल्यार सगळ्यान एडवान्स प्लाज्मिड हो आसतलो विथ ऑल द फिचर्स. पूण पळोवपाक गेल्यार ताजो स्ट्रक्चर मातसो डिफिकल्ट आसा. ओके, आतां हो डिफिकल्ट स्ट्रक्चर कसो इजी तरेन तुमकां सांगपाक जाय, ओके, हो इजी तरेन तुमकां कळपाक जाय, ताज्या लागून हांवें एक स्टोरी तयार केल्या. ओके, ती स्टोरी तुमकां कळ्ळी, देन डेफिनेटली आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दॅट तुमी स्ट्रक्चर इजिली तुमकां याद उरतलो. ओके, आतां तुमकां हांव ती एक स्टोरी सांगता, अ व्हेरी फनी स्टोरी टू रिलेट विथ दीस PBR322. ओके, आतां 2 फ्रेंड आशिल्ले. ओके, एका फ्रेंडाचें नांव अमर आनी दुसऱ्या फ्रेंडाचें नांव प्रशांत पवार. ओके, अमर आनी प्रशांत पवार हे 2 फ्रेंड आशिल्ले. तांच्यांनी एक दीस कितें ठरयलें की आमी कोचिंग क्लासीस जॉइन करया. ओके, सो तांच्यांनी सगळी डिटेल्स पळयले, खंय मेळटा, खंय आसतली ही कोचिंग क्लास किंवा खंय, सगळे तांच्यांनी डिटेल्स केले आनी आतां ते फाल्यांच्यान वचपाक. सो तांच्यांनी कितें केलें, तांच्यांनी आपली जर्नी 7 सुमार सकाळच्या स्टार्ट केली. ओके, सो इनिशियली एका पॉयंटा वयल्यान ते 7 सुमार भायर सरले. ओके, आतां 7 सुमार भायर सरून ते खंय गेले, ते इकॉलॉजी कोचिंग क्लास वचून जॉइन जाले. सो 7 भायर सरले आनी ते इकॉलॉजी कोचिंग क्लासाक वचून अटेंड जाले. ओके, आतां इकॉलॉजी कोचिंग क्लास, इकॉलॉजी एवरीवन नोस, इट इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी दॅट इज डिलिंग विथ द इकोसिस्टम. रायट, सगळें शिकप ताका इकॉलॉजी म्हणटा. आतां ह्या इकॉलॉजीन तांकां व्हेरी इंट्रस्टींग कशें कितें तांकां पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें, ती इकॉलॉजी शिकोवपी जो प्रोफेसर किंवा टिचर आशिल्लो की ना, सो इकॉलॉजी शिकोवपी जो टिचर आशिल्लो ताजें नांव ब्राह्मीण सलमान. आतां तांच्यांनी ताजें नांव एक्चुली कित्याक विचारलें, बिकॉज इकॉलॉजी हो एक्चुली इंग्लिशीन शिकोवपाचो, पूण तो टिचर आशिल्लो तो हिंदीन शिकयतालो. ओके, तो टिचर हिंदीन शिकयतालो आनी हिंदीन शिकयल्या कारणान तांकां आतां खूब इंट्रस्ट आयलो बाबा टिचरीचें नांव कितें विचारपाक. सो टिचराचें नांव आशिल्लें ब्राह्मीण सलमान. डिफरंटूच नांव न्ही, सलमान नॉर्मली दुसरो रिलीजनचो दिसता आनी ब्राह्मीण हे एक दुसरो रिलीजन, बट हो एकूच मनीस आशिल्लो, ताजें नांव आशिल्लें ब्राह्मीण सलमान. तो हिंदीन इकॉलॉजी क्लास शिकयतालो. ओके, आतां ही इकॉलॉजी क्लास शिकून जाल्या उपरांत जो प्रशांत पवार आशिल्लो ताका ती इकॉलॉजी कोचिंग क्लास खूब आवडली. सो प्रशांत पवारान 2दा ती क्लास अटेंड केली. याद दवरा, परत गेलो तो क्लास अटेंड करपाक, मे बी दुसऱ्या दिसा अशें म्हणपाक शकता आमी. आनी तातूंतलो जो अमर आशिल्लो पळय, ताणें कितें म्हणलें, आपूण केन्नाच क्लासीक अटेंड, त्या म्हणल्यार हिंदीन शिकयता त्या क्लासीक केन्नाच अटेंड करचो ना. इन्स्टेड आय वील टेक अ रोप अँड आय वील सुसायड. पूण आपण क्लास अटेंड करचो ना. ओके, आता समजा इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस एंटायर स्टोरी, डेफिनेटली this will be very easy for you to understand the structure of PBR 322. So let me quickly revise the story behind it. There were two friends named Amar and Prashant Pawar. One day they decide to go for coaching class. So initially at 7 o'clock they start their journey towards ecology coaching class, and there the ecology was the ecology was teaching in language Hindi. So they were keen to know the name of the professor. So they found out that the teacher name was Brahmin Salman. After the coaching class, Prashant Pawar felt very good. So he decided to attend the class for second time. Whereas Amar told that I am not going to go I will not go to attend that particular class because I have not understood anything. Instead, I will accept, or instead I will be going, or I can say except I will suicide, but I will not go for that coaching class. So this is the story behind PBR 322. Okay. Now students, this is the actual structure of PBR 322. Now in this structure, going to see there are different alphabets, different words you can see, looking very complex, right? But the story which I have told you, if you correlate here, the structure becomes very easy. So let me tell you the structure. Now initially I told you that there were two friends named Amar and Prashant Pawar. They started their journey at 7 o'clock. So you can remember this, or you can imagine this is a clock. Okay, in the clock there is 12 here, 3 here, 6 exactly here. Near to 6 there is always 7. So 7 o'clock I told you they started their journey. So at 7 o'clock there is one structure. Okay, there is one region present in this PBR 322. That region is origin of replication, or simply referred as ORI or ORI, we can say. So at 7 o'clock they started their journey. So there is a region, you can remember, in this clock direction or in this clock at 7 o'clock there is a region called as ORI. Now at this region, these two friends, that was Amar, there is one gene. Okay, at this region there is a gene called as ampicillin resistance gene. See, AMP meaning ampicillin and R meaning resistance. Okay, so simply you can remember this ampicillin resistance as AMR. So Amar I have written here. So Amar and one more friend, that was Prashant Pawar. So you can remember in this ampicillin resistance gene, there are two restriction enzyme sites wherein these two restriction enzymes is going to cut at this particular region. Okay, so first restriction enzyme is PST1 and second one is PVU1. Now what does this mean, PST? Okay, that I told you to remember Prashant. Okay, so P, S and T. Okay, so P, S and T, so Prashant. Okay, 1 is the number of restriction enzyme, the discovery number I can see. Okay, so everywhere there is 1, except there is one restriction enzyme that I will tell you later. But every restriction enzyme will be having, or that was discovered first. That's why PST1. Pawar, so PV, and here simply you have to write U. So PVU1. So this restriction enzyme is going to cut this gene at this site. PVU1 restriction enzyme is going to cut this. So this is the recognition sequence for PVU1. This is the recognition sequence for PST1. So remember now, Amar, Prashant Pawar had started at 7 o'clock. So there is origin of replication. Now where they went to attend ecology coaching class, I told you. Okay, so you can see here they are going to attend ecology class. So eco R1 is nothing but ecology. You can remember this, ecology. Okay, so eco, and this is the restriction enzyme. So eco R1. This is one restriction enzyme. The site of restriction enzyme is here, so that they can cleave or cut this region. Then they go to ecology class. So there is one more restriction site here, that is CLA, meaning class. You can remember it is as class CLA1. So this is another restriction enzyme where it can cut at this particular region. Then ecology class was in the language Hindi, I told you. So HIND, Hind 3. Remember. So this is the only enzyme they have used, or this is the site wherein Hind 3 enzyme can be cut. Okay. So this enzyme is referred as Hind 3 and Hindi. So you can remember Hindi. Now, when they heard that Hindi coaching class, so they were fascinated to see to know the name of the professor, or I can say the teacher. So here there is one more gene called as T and R. So teacher, T and R, remember like this. Okay, so this is the teacher which is referring to tetracycline resistance gene. So TET meaning tetracycline resistance gene. So now in this PBR322 there is origin of replication and there are two selectable markers, and they are ampicillin resistance gene and tetracycline resistance gene. In this ampicillin, there are two restriction sites. In this tetracycline resistance gene, there are again two restriction sites. So, I told you Amar and Prashant went to ecology class. It was in Hindi, and then they asked the teacher name. The teacher name was Brahmin Salman. Okay, so you can remember B from here. Okay, BAM. So, BAM. H is the Brahmin. Okay, so BAM H1 site. So this BAM H1 restriction enzyme is going to cut at this location. BAM H1. Okay, then Salman. So you can remember SAL here, SAL1. So this SAL1, okay, this particular restriction enzyme is going to cut this gene at this location. Okay, so if this gene is cut over here, the alien DNA can be ligated here. Okay, then I told you that after attending Brahmin Salman's Hindi ecology class, Prashant Pawar thought that yes, this is very interesting, and Prashant Pawar, or you can remember simply that Pawar is going to attend the coaching class again. So again meaning PVU2. You can see PVU1 was here again. So second time he is going to attend that particular class. So there is one restriction site here that is cleaving, or that is cleaved by the enzyme PVU2. So second time he want to go. But there is Amar who don't want to attend the class. Instead he is saying that I will die with rope, but I will not go and attend that particular class. So rope. Okay, here there is rope. ROP. What is this rope? Rope is referring to the protein which is initially, or which is very important in the origin of replication process. So this protein will be helpful to this particular site to replicate. So this is that origin and protein. So protein helps in origin of protein helps in replication, I can say. Got it? So this is the entire structure wherein you can correlate this structure with the story which I have told you. Okay, so this is the PBR322. Let me just repeat. It is having origin of replication site here. Then there are two antibiotic resistance gene, that is ampicillin resistant gene. I can write here, it is ampicillin resistance gene, and there is one more tetracycline resistance gene. So two genes are present. In these two genes there are two restriction site for each. In ampicillin there is PST1 and PVU1. Then tetracycline there is BAM H1 site and cell, or I can say SAL1 restriction site, and in between the both ampicillin and tetracycline resistance gene there are three restriction sites, that is one for EcoR1, one for CLA1 and another for Hind or Hind-D3. Okay, and this is the entire structure. Now again this structure in more easy way I will tell you in the animated way. Now students, you can see this animated way of PBR 322. Initially, two friends started their journey at 7 o'clock. So, clock is shown and you can see this region called as ORI, origin of replication, wherein they are starting their journey. So, who were the two friends? You can see ampicillin resistance gene, meaning Amar, and Prashant and Pawar. So, sideways you can see two boys who started their journey at 7 o'clock. So they are the two friends who are starting their journey to go towards the coaching class. Okay, so ampicillin resistance gene is having two restriction enzymes, PST1 and PVU1. Now they are going to ecology class. So eco R1 is shown there. Then ecology class, meaning you can see CLA1, and that class was in Hindi. So HIND 3, I told you, Hind 3. Okay, so ecology picture, you can see there are a lot of birds and environment is shown. Okay, so environment, study of this organism with their environment is ecology, right? So that picture is shown over here. Now after attending the class, that was Hindi class, right? So they were fascinated to see to know the teacher name. So you can see now there is TETR, meaning tetracycline resistance gene over here, that is teacher. And the name of the teacher was Brahmin Salman. You can see the Salman picture over there also. So Brahmin meaning BAMH one side and Salman. So after attending, Prashant Pawar thought that I am going to attend the class again. So there is PVU2, you can see there. And then Amar is saying that I will suicide with the rope. You can see this picture also, but I am not going to attend that class. So there is ROP over there. So ROP meaning protein, which helps in origin of replication. So this is about the PBR 322. Now how this is important, why that selectable markers, everything in detail I am going to tell you in the next video. Thank you students.